How are you?
I am quite well. Thanks
Uh,
for asking.
I'm also fine at this time. So, as a first time meeting, so first of all, introduce yourself.
My name is Lata. I reside in Dehradun. I am a homemaker and I am blessed with two kids. Elder one is my daughter, younger one is my son. My both the kids always keep me busy. I am very passionate towards English speaking language and I have a great zeal to learn this language. I always feel like talking English. Whenever I feel myself free, I try to connect with someone or other. That's all about me.
Okay, thanks. Great to introduce from your side.
Okay.
So
And
it's my turn.
yeah,
Thank you giving me this opportunity to introduce myself. I am Mukesh Kumar Paswan from Nepal. If talk about my education, I have done CMA from Sinamasta Institute of Technology, Rajviraj, Saptari, Nepal. I have done also graduate from Tirvan University, KTM, Nepal. If talk about my working, I am working in health first. I am a health person. I have a government job. And if talk about my hobby, searching a new things, make a new friends. And I have also YouTube channel. YouTube channel name is English with Mukesh. That's all about me.
sir, when did you create your YouTube channel?
I created 9 months ago.
So, how many subscribers do you have right now?
At this time, subscriber only 218 subscriber.
And you have been
Yes.
consistent. Have you been consistent ever since you started your channel?
Sorry.
Have you been consistent on the YouTube ever since you started your channel?
Yes. I consist every day make video. Means and upload it 2 days, 3 days. Consist continuity from 9 months. Sometimes it is difficult. Skype application was closed. That times, even then, I make self video and upload it. If you want to see, you watch my channel. What kinds of video I uploaded, you can see.
By taking which content did you make your solo video?
Conversation video. Conversation video.
No, you have just told me that you made your solo video.
Solo video means self practice, just like as how to speak, grammar is important or not, vocab is important or not, why need for beginners grammar, why need for vocabulary. So that kinds of, and any topics like as what is the drug addict, health problems, many topics I choose and describe. Yes, that kinds of video I uploaded.
Which app do you use for making thumbnail?
Pixel Lab.
I also use.
Yes. Yes, Pixel Lab for thumbnail and Keykind Master edit for video.
Editing, video editing
Yes.
thing. Don't
Yes,
you use
yes.
VNF?
EN no. I am using Kind Master.
We should have knowledge of all these things.
Sorry?
We should have knowledge of all these apps in order to be a YouTuber.
No, I am not able, just English practice only.
When did you feel that you should create your YouTube channel?
What is, I don't understand, sorry?
When did you feel that you should also create your YouTube channel?
9 months ago, I created.
No, you are telling me that 9 months back you have created your channel. But I am asking, why do you feel? Why did
How
you
do you?
feel that you should create your YouTube channel?
You are asking why did you create YouTube channel?
Yeah,
So that is your question.
yeah. What was the need?
Yes, there is no specific causes. Just I am speaking practice. Yes, this is the one type of compare. If I make always video, so it is helpful for me and YouTube channel also. Sometimes subscriber is gaining and practice make man perfect. So that's why every day I make practice and I will upload my video in YouTube. And some who is beginners who wants to learn, they can learn from my video. So that is the purpose. I am also learning, and they who wants to learn, who is beginners, they can learn from my video. So that's why I created that channel.
You are saying
Yeah.
right. After creating YouTube channel, we get a motto that every day we have to upload one of the video, and we in this way we are able to do our practice.
Yes, yes, yes. One type of compel, because I have a YouTube channel, I have to make video. So every day, my brain is searching, my brain is keeping. Once you have to make video and you have to upload. So that is the help me. Yes. So that's why I created. Got it?
Yeah, got it. And Teji, tell me, according to you, how much vocab
Yes.
how much knowledge of vocab should we have in order to escalate our speaking skills?
Yes, there is no how much, at least 200 vocab, 2000 vocab, there is no need. Yes, if you speak, if you learn a start, so you can speak small words, which is needable. Yes, the world is unlimited. There is no limited. Word meaning is unlimited. Sentence is unlimited. Yes, which is need. Yes, which is around us. Do you want to speak? So you some words which is need. So that kinds of words you collect and you speak. There is no more.
In order to escalate your speaking skill, don't you want to learn 2 or 3 new words daily?
Sorry.
Don't you want to learn 2 or 3 new words daily in order to escalate your speaking skill?
Yes, if you beginners times we have to learn some meanings, some grammar. Yes, and everything you have to learn in the beginning times. And after then, if you go reach intermediate level, there is no needs. Yes, you can speak able, you can understand the capacity able. So which is need. Yes, just if you choose any topic. Yes, first of all you choose this topic, health. So health related, which is topic, a story. Yes, so you read and they come out word meaning, and you select that kinds of meaning, and you what is the means, that kinds of answer that can I remember, and you keep, and after then you try to speak. That is helpful. There is no need you have to first of all 2000 meaning remember, 2000 sentence remember, and after then I can speak English. That is not good, I think.
But I am telling you my experience. According to me,
Yes.
we should learn 2 or 3 words daily. So, you know, these days people are using lots of advanced vocab and phrasal verb while conversing with each other. And if we don't know the meaning of those words, that we are unable to understand the things properly.
Yes, yes, yes. Every person have everything's different thought, and how can you speak? How can you learn? How can you understand? That is your depends, no others. Yes. So that is going one place. Yes, just like as if you stay in Delhi. If you want to go Delhi, there are many ways. Yes, you can go many ways in Delhi, but place is one, Delhi. So every person wants to learn English language, but they are different way. Each coming and they learn English language. This is the way.
We can express ourselves by saying different ways. There are lot of ways
Yes.
to express ourselves.
Yes. And I'm asking some questions. So how long have you been your English journey, and why would you like to learn this language? What is the specific causes in your thoughts?
I don't have any specific causes. I have a great zeal. I am very enthusiastic person to learn, to start speaking English language. And you know, when we speak English fluently, then we can impress anyone. And speaking English builds up our personality as well. It has become very crucial these days to speak in English. It doesn't matter whether we are educated much or not, but if we are able to speak English confidently, fluently, then we can attract anyone. And I want to make an environment of English speaking for my kids at my home.
Oh, who is motivated you language lot?
I am
Anyone?
self-motivated.
Self.
No, no, no. No
Self.
one, no one motivates me. I am self-motivated person. After having conversation with someone or other, I always feel awesome and energetic.
Yes, yes. I am also same self-depend, self-motivated. Know anyone? You learn English. You need in your life English. Self-motivated. I am once a day I was listening. Yes, one conversation. Oh my God! That times I thought I would like to also speak English. How I speak fast and how I speak fluently. So if I speak English, it is advantage for me. And that day I thought I have to learn, I have to do. So that's why I was starting, and at least 9 months, 10 months my journey. But nowadays speaking little bit good. There is no more. Even then I am speaking able to. Yes.
In your surrounding area, do you have anyone with whom you can speak in English?
No anyone. Yes, sometimes friends, many friends visiting. Yes, and I talked. One day, 2 days, half an hour. There is no giving more times. Who is returned back foreign country? Yes, and they speak English.
Okay.
So sometimes I talked with them.
In your initial stage, when you started your journey of speaking English, what type of steps did you follow? What did you do?
Uh, Initial phase.
Yeah, when you were
First of
beginner.
all, I studied grammar, tense, part of a speech, and some models. Yes, and after then, I study every essay book. Just like topic, what is the television, what is radio, means any topic. Every day I study 1 hour. Yes,
Did you listen
and
or did you read? Did you
read,
read
read,
that? Read, okay.
read. Yeah, read is very helpful. Yes, without reading you can't learn. Yes, reading is the first. If you read, then your brain catch. And when do you speak? After then, you are able to speak. First of all, you read. Just I am giving example. You know ABCD. First of all, you have to learn ABCD, and after then you make word. If you don't make, if you don't learn ABCD, so you make sentence, you make word, no. So that's why first of all, if you want to English learn, if you want to be confident, so you have to learn grammar. Grammar, under it there are three things is necessary for my thought. First is tense, second one is part of a speech, and third one is models. Three things, if you uh, command, then you can speak easily. Yes, means if you are speaking, that is, now I am speaking, this is the present continuous tense, and I am speaking, I speak, this is the present. And if you want to say a story, this is the past. And if you want to say in future, where what will be going on future, yes, so that is future tense. Just most of people are asking at this time present, past, and future. It is necessary. If you don't command tense, so you cannot ever, because
But
you have speaking daily routine in present, past, future.
you
Yeah.
must have heard many people keep saying that there is no need to learn grammar. If we want to learn speaking English, grammar is not so much important. Many people keep saying like this. How much do you agree?
Yes. No, I am not agree. Yes, which stands first of all, who wants to learn English confidently? So how confident? Confident give us grammar. Yes, just I am speaking. This is the present continuous. I speak. This is the present.
Again.
I will speak. This is the future tense. Giving a confident tense.
Yes.
If you
I
don't know
also
tense, yes, discipler can speak English. They are not going to institute, school, college. Even then they speak English. Children is not going to school, which is foreign children. They only they can listen father, mother, and they speak English. That is not matter. You are advanced level. You are a students. You one type of students, good students. If you want, you are bachelor. You are intern. You are educated. So you have to speak correct English. Yes. So that's why you learn grammar. And grammar without you can first of all man this way they are going, and after then they left way. Every person first learn grammar, and after that they speak intermediate level and advanced level. Grammar is not need. Grammar is not need. I can speak. I can speak. But you where come from? You come from when you are beginners. That times you start grammar, and after then rest, and you are saying it is not need for grammar. I don't agree with.
I also agree that we should learn grammar in order to speak the language correctly and confidently. Because we were not born at a place where English was spoken. If we were born at a place where English was spoken, at that time we would learn this language automatically by listening. But this is the second language we all are learning. So there is need to learn the grammar first if we want to speak it correctly and confidently. So I agree with you that we should learn all the tenses, modals, and passive voice. And
Yes,
after
yes,
that,
yes.
knowledge of some vocab, and after that we can start our speaking practice.
Yes, neat. Without grammar, we can't learn. I am speaking at this time. This is the confident level. It is the causes of grammar. If I don't know about grammar, so I don't speak confident level. Yes.
Yes.
This is the way of grammar. This is the rules of grammar I am following. That's why I am speaking. I am speaking wrong or right, so I distinguish. I am speaking. This is the present continuous. This is the going on rights. If I don't know about present continuous, so how to use?
Okay.
Yes.
Now, do you have any question? If you want to ask me anything, you can ask. Otherwise, I think we have to wrap up the session because it's time for my son to come back from the school and I have to go.
Okay, no problem. Next time I will connect and for you.
No,
Okay.
you can ask if you have any question, you can ask me.
Okay, what kinds of questions? I am saying how listening is important and speaking is important for learners. Can you describe?
Yeah. According to me, speaking is very much important if we are beginner and if we want to learn speaking English. If we don't speak on our regular basis, then we should start losing our confidence. It is like this: if someone wants to learn swimming, then he has to get down into the water bodies in order to learn swimming. In this way, if we want to learn speaking English, then we have to speak. We need to open up our mouth. Only then we can learn speaking English. If we keep doing only reading and writing, then we cannot learn speaking English. So it
Yes.
is mandatory to learn to speak every day. And if if I talk about listening, then we should listen every day as well. If we listen, then we can improve our pronunciation, and we will be able to know how can we speak this word, and we will come across many new structures. And when our kids are younger, how we taught them to learn speaking by listening us. They start speaking our native language.
Yes, yes, yes.
So how can we learn? By listening. If we don't have knowledge of grammar, but if we listen and listen again and again, then we can also learn speaking English. So
Yes,
according
yes,
to
yes.
me, we should do both these practice, listening and speaking every day.
Yes, yes. So the same like as children is not going to school, they don't learn grammar. Even then they speak English. That is the causes of listening. For what is speaking father, mother, and brothers, they listen carefully, and after then they try to speak, and they will be speak is able to. That's the same as first of all listening and speaking. Listening only is not important. If you listening carefully and after then you try to speak, that you are able to speak.
जैसे our native language is Hindi, and when our kids are born, how we taught them our native language to speak.
Yes.
Listening
Listening.
our conversation, they start.
Listening our conversation. Yes.
They start.
Listening and symbolic also they show, and after then they follow. You come, you come. This is the symbolic. Yes, you go, you go. This is the symbolic language. So symbolic and listening both are connected, and they listen, and after then they try to understand, and they can do, they can speak.
Yeah.
Yes.
If we are unable to understand the listening something, then we should listen that word and that content again and again. Sometimes we should also ask our kids again and again to
Yes,
listen the
repetition,
same thing.
repetition. Yes, repetition is also key of learning. Repetition. If you learn repetition, then you can learn easy. Once think 4 times, 5 times, your mind is catched, and after then you able to speak. So repetition is also learning process.
In listening, I am telling you my experience. Every day before going to the bed, we recite a arti. That arti is related to my spiritual matter, and that arti is very long. But my son is 5 years old, and he remembers the whole arti, and he always recites that arti ahead of us.
Yes, yes. If you are speaking English, your children is imitate. Yes. And how are you? I am fine. And what about you? I'm also fine. Where are you going? Every children are listen carefully. My children also. One is 7 years and one is 4 years. They also are speaking. How are you? I'm fine too. They say. So this is the listening. I am speaking here, and they around us, and they listen. Sometimes, how are you? I'm fine. And what is your name? They are speaking good way.
Most of the time, when my son seeing me speaking in English, he most of the time keeps saying me, "Mama, also teach me how can I speak in English. I also want to learn speaking English."
Yes, yes, same. My children also, same children. Father, I would like to talk with your friends. Can you give me opportunity? Can you give me opportunity? Just I am saying, okay, okay. Yeah, I asked my friends if they have permission, then you will talk. Sometimes two friends which talked my daughters.
Now, how long our video is? How long our video?
Sorry.
How? Tell, see the duration of this video.
No, there is limitation at least. Oh, actually, I don't know. 25 maybe minute. Okay, so wrap up the session. Next day for your. Okay, bye.
Okay.
Nice talk to you.
It was nice talking to you. Bye.
Thank you, thank you.